Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do the anonymous stories on Instagram. So if you see a lot of stories on Instagram with people telling you that you can ask anonymous questions, most of those actually show your questions to the person that you're sending them to. So if you want to know how to make a proper story the way I do it for Instagram, it's really easy to do. I actually use two applications, one being Snapchat and the app called YOLO. So you do need to have a Snapchat account for this as well. So if you have an extra one or just your main one, you could do this. It's really easy to do. So all we're going to do is open up YOLO and click on that. And then once it opens up, we're just going to click on Login with Snapchat and then Continue. And then it's just going to bring up this privacy by design little thing, so you can read this if you would like, or you can just click on Continue. And then it's just going to let you know that it's going to use your display name and your Bitmoji avatar. So you just want to click on Continue. And then it's just going to want to pair with your phone number. So you just want to put your phone number in here and then send it the verification code. Put the verification code in. It's really easy to do. Once you've done that, you'll be right here where it tells you to get anonymous messages. So we want to click on that and click on Turn on Notifications. So then here it just tells you to add in what you want to say if you want to change it. So I'm just going to leave it as Send Honest Messages, but you can just change it to Ask Me Questions or Ask a Question, whatever you'd like to put. So once you're done with adding yours, you can just click on the share button at the bottom right. Then it'll bring you over to your Snapchat. So all you want to do on Snapchat is just take a photo of this, and then you just want to send it to a story. So I'm just going to post it on my private story so it doesn't go to all my friends. So I'm just going to click on Story, and then you want to put Add Snap, and then click on Send and upload it to your story. Once you've done that, you just want to go over to your story and open that up. And then all you want to do here is you just want to swipe up on this, and then it'll open you up to this page. Once you're on here, you just want to click on a message really quick and click on Done, so it pops up that little blue circle in the bottom right corner. You want to click on that, so I'm just going to get it again really quick, and you want to click on it, scroll down, and you want to click on Copy. So once you've done that, you want to exit that and head back over to Instagram. And then all you need to do on Instagram is you want to start your own story on Instagram. So you just do a background, and then you could just put Ask Me a Question, link in bio. So all that does, and what you could do is just post that. What that does will bring people over to your bio, and then what you're going to do in your bio is you're going to go over to Edit Profile. And then you're going to want to put on website and just paste the link there that you got from Snapchat and click on Done. If you get this error message, you just have to make the link shorter. So all you have to do is head over to Safari, open that up, and you just want to go and search for URL shortener. Open that up, and you can just click on any URL shortener. I'll just click on this one right here. And then you want to click on the link, paste the link that you got from Snapchat, and just click Shorten URL. And then it'll just give you a lot shorter URL, so you can just click on Copy URL, and then head back over to Instagram. And then you just go over to your website, and you erase the old one, and paste your new shortened link, and then click on Done. Now what this allows you to do is it allows the person asking the question to go over to your bio, and then it'll actually send the question over to your YOLO application, which will be completely anonymous. So it's really easy to do, and it's actually fully anonymous. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.